You're rushing out the door to grab a cup of coffee, and you can't even remember where you left your old laptop. You've been using it for years, but now it's holding you back. Slow, clunky performance is ruining your morning routine. But what if I told you there's a game changer waiting for you? Meet the 2026 HP OmniBook 7 Flip 16, the AI-enhanced next generation of HP Envy X360 and Spectre X360. This thin and light powerhouse is designed to streamline meetings, automate tasks, and improve workflow efficiency on the go. With up to 10 hours of battery life, fast charging, and Copilot Plus AI capabilities, it's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. The 360 degrees hinge allows you to switch seamlessly between laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes, perfect for note-taking, presentations, and entertainment. Plus, the HP USB-C rechargeable MPP 2.0 Stylus with 4096 high-level pressure sensitivity enhances accuracy when drawing, note-taking, or detailed work. But what really sets this laptop apart is its powerful processor and storage. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7258V processor, 8 cores, 8 threads, up to 4.8 GHz max boost clock, 12 MB L3 cache. It delivers 2x faster AI task execution and 30% better energy efficiency than Series 1. Paired with 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD, it handles complex simulations, local AI models, and heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. The Intel Arc 140V GPU provides high-performance AI graphics, allowing users to run tools like Stable Diffusion locally for image generation and creative work. It's also well-suited for video editing thanks to strong media encoding support. This laptop boasts a vibrant 16-inch Webcam, 1920 by 1200 touchscreen with IPS technology, 400 nits brightness, and micro edge, perfect for vibrant visuals and smooth motion. Expand your workspace with up to 3 external monitors via HDMI 2.1 USB, Type-C, and Thunderbolt 4 ports. With Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, USB-A, and HDMI 2.1, you can easily connect monitors, storage. Stay fast and reliable on the go with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, perfect for video calls, cloud work, and wireless devices without lag. The HP 5MP IR camera with temporal noise reduction ensures crisp video calls in any lighting, while secure facial recognition login provides added security. Pre-installed with Microsoft Windows 11 Pro, offering enterprise-grade security with BitLocker and Remote Desktop, designed to support demanding professional applications and enhanced by AI Copilot for smarter, more efficient productivity across business and creative tasks. This laptop is built for consultants, engineers, analysts, healthcare professionals, educators, and business owners who need a versatile workstation that adapts to every environment. Ready to upgrade your workflow? Imagine using this laptop tomorrow morning, switching seamlessly between work mode and relaxation mode with the 360 degrees hinge, and effortlessly collaborating with colleagues or clients. The 2026 HP OmniBook 7 Flip 16 is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. Get it now and start streamlining your productivity.